Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a case law on the Consumer Protection Act, particularly the law of torts. The District Consumer Redressal Commission (DCDRC) of Salem. They found deficiency in the service of TTD board, that is Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam Chittoor District Board, and ordered them to pay or to shell down 45 lakhs as compensation to a victim or arrange the so-called mail chart vastra service as required by him. Why so much of drastic decision has been taken by the Consumer Forum? Let us understand it. So before that, you all know, according to section 2, clause 7 of the Consumer Protection Act 2019, not 1986, 2019, latest. 2019, yes, a consumer is a person who purchases or who buys certain products for his personal use, who hires or who avails the services by paying some money for his personal use. So if there is any defect in the product or if there is any deficiency in the service, definitely you can approach the Consumer Forum. So you know the pecuniary jurisdiction of the Consumer Forum also. I need not repeat it, otherwise it will be dragging away your valuable time. So here what happened is the TTD, now coming to the facts of the case, he is a Salem merchant by name K.R. Hari Bhaskar. 1 minute, I will tell his name. K.R. Hari Bhaskar, right? So during the year 2006, in the month of June, he paid rupees 12,250 for mail chart vastram seva, and booked a slot. Of course, it is yearly, whatever it is, his slot was booked for 2020. But you all know, in 2020, we suffered the COVID-19 pandemic, where people were not, devotees or pilgrims were not allowed to visit the temple. So he was heartbroken due to COVID-19. The temple was closed due to pandemic. But please remember, he was doubly distressed when the TTD people informed him that he would not be given a new date. So when he contacted them, they said, we will arrange only VIP break darshan for you, but we cannot arrange the so-called mail chart vastra seva because already the slots have been booked. So he was asked for the so-called doctrine of selection. Either you go for VIP break darshan or your amount of 12,250 will be returned. But he is not satisfied with both these options. Ultimately, he approached the DCDRC, District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. DCDRC, that is District Forum, right? So he approached the District Forum at Salem, since he is residing at Salem. And since he has paid the money from Salem, he has filed a case. Yes, jurisdiction is there. He filed the case in Salem. Of course, the members heard both the versions of both the parties. Of course, TTD definitely would have stated that already the slot has been booked for some other person. We can't help. We'll return the money. But so many years later, after almost 16 years are over. So now you are saying that you don't want to allot him. Then why you have taken that money in advance in 2006? The service, yes, you promised to do some service to him. He is a consumer. So therefore, there is a deficiency in the service. So this is the verdict of the DCDRC on 18/8/2022. In Telugu, I said 16/8, please correct it as 18/8. So the DCDRC of Salem, P. Ganeshan, he is the president, and Madam Ramola, he is a member, she is a member. They concluded that it is deficiency of service. So please remember, it caused lot of stress and mental agony to the complainant when the TTD informed him that he would not be given a new date for the mail chart vastra seva. So therefore, the Honorable DCDRC gave the award, stating that within 1 year he should be allotted one date for the mail chart vastra seva. If not, the TTD has to shell down 45 lakhs as compensation for the mental agony, and they have returned the ticket amount or service amount of 12,250. If they do not do it, so till the time of realization, they have to pay interest of 6%. Yes, 6% interest. So this 12,250 should be sent back to him within 2 months. So otherwise, so normally the other procedure will follow. Anyway, TTD, they can go for appeal to the state commission, whatever is done. But this is a good decision as far as the district forum is concerned. Yes, when you take up a service, you have to fulfill it. Of course, we can't find fault with the TTT also, because already the slot should have been booked in some other name. But anyway, since there is a pandemic, we did not expect they should have tried to adjust in some or other way. Otherwise, things will happen like this only. So please be careful. Be not careful. So use the law of thoughts, use the Consumer Protection Act, and if any client comes with this type of this service deficiency, yeah, definitely you can file a case in the consumer court. So take it as an example, and definitely you can increase your knowledge in the consumer matters also. Thank you very much.